In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove favorite contacts on iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Click on your phone, right? So let's say if I want to add Mike as one of my favorite contacts right here on my iPhone, I'm going to just click on Mike, right? Scroll down, I'm going to see the add to favorites, right? So I'll click on it. I'll click on the call, I'll click on the phone, I'll click on the mobile, right? And if I click on this my favorites right now, you can see Mike has been added as one of my favorite contacts right here on my iPhone, right? But if I want to remove it, I'm gonna just hold on it, right? I'm gonna just you just click on this edit, right? Click on this edit. Once you click on it, click on this minus, you're gonna see the delete option. Click on the delete option, right? So if I head over to my contacts again, if I click on Mike, you can see Mike is no longer amongst my favorite contacts here on my iPhone, right? So this is basically how you can do this, how you can add or remove favorite contacts on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.